Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Economic Cities. I'm the educator, and in main chapter of statistics, we are going to start the topic weighted mean. Okay, few questions we are going to get to solve the topic on weighted mean. Okay, so weighted mean is a very simple topic here. It refers to the average when different items of series are given different weights according to their relative importance. Okay, so this is the formula you should know here. Okay. So this is the formula. X bar and small w is equals to summation wx upon summation w. So x bar w means weighted mean here. Weighted mean we have to calculate. Then summation of wx means sum of the products of the items and their respective weights. And your products will be given and their weights. So we are going to multiply that. And summation weight, that is the sum of the weight. The weight will be given to you. So let's start with the help of an example. It would be more clear to you. Now here it states calculate weighted mean. Marks are given and weights are given. So first we know the formula here. The formula is weighted mean. W will be small, okay? So weighted mean is equals to summation of here, that is products and the respective weights upon summation of weights. This is the formula. Now I'm going to put the value summation W here. That is, this is W. Okay. So summation of weight is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So you will get here 12. Okay, now I need to know summation Wx. That means I'm going to multiply W and X. This is X and this is W. Okay, so 62 into 2, you will get here 124, then 77, then 130. You're going to simply multiply this. Okay, 65 into 2, 130. 62 into 3, you will get 186. And then 57 into 4, 228. Now we are going to add all these. That is summation Wx. So you will get how much? 124 plus 77 plus 130 plus 186 plus 228. So you will get here 745. Now I'm going to put the values in the formula given here. 745 upon 12. So weighted mean will be 62.08. So simple. Okay, you just have to multiply. Right, the next question, please take the screenshot. Find out weighted mean by weighing each price by the quantity consumed. Okay, each price. Now, what we will do here, first, this is your items and this is your weight and per kg, that is the price. And we need to calculate summation of X here now. Yes. Okay. So, you will get here 12 into 30. Each item it states now. So 12 into 30. So you will get 360. Then 10 into 50, you will get 500. Then 10 into 40, you will get 400. Then 15 into 35, 525. And last is 540. Simply you will multiply and you will get the total out of that. So you will be getting here all these add on 2325. 2325. And this is the X here to submission weight here. Okay. ये weight होगा ना. So 12 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 12, we will get 59. Now I'm going to write the formula here. Weighted mean is equals to summation Wx. That is the total here, summation of weights. Okay. So here we will be getting 2325 on 59. So 39.40. And this is your answer. Okay, you can take the screenshot. ऑफ ईच प्राइस बोला है ना, तो ईच प्राइस में 12 into 30, 10 into 50, 10 into 40, 15 into 35 and 12 into 45. Okay. Very simple questions of on the weighted mean here. Okay. And now the last question on this topic we are going to solve here. A little bit different. Weights of various subjects along with the marks obtained by three candidates. So three candidates are Ram, Shyam, and Manish. Out of 100, they are getting the marks obtained. Calculate weighted mean to find out the most eligible student for scholarship. Okay, now weight is here. So I know the summation of weight would be what? Summation of weight would be 3 plus 4, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 10. Okay. Now marks of Ram, Shyam, and Manish. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, individual मुझे करना है, तो मैं यहीं पे कॉलम बना देती हूँ. That is wx of Ram here, summation वाला आ जाएगा. ठीक है. The formula is what? Weighted mean is equals to this is the formula. Now पहले हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे यहाँ पे राम का, then श्याम, and then Manish. And then जिसका सबसे ज़्यादा टोटल होगा, then he is going to be the most eligible one. Okay. So 3 into 65, right? इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो 65 into 3 मैं कर दूं, तो मैं कितना मुझे मिल जाएगा? 195. ये राम का है, this is for Shyam, and this is for Manish. Okay. So then into 4, ये weight है ना, तो 63 into 4. So you will get 252. Then 1 times, so you will get 70. 88 into 2, you will get 116. Okay. तो इसका टोटल क्या आएगा? इसका टोटल है राम का आपका टोटल मिला के 633. Okay. Now अब let's see here, श्याम का कितना आ रहा है? 64 into 3. ठीक है. Would be more easy for you to understand. Okay. So 64 into 3 would be 192. 3, 4 times 1 and 2. इसको भी आप मल्टीप्लाई करते चलिएगा. 3, 4, 1 and 2. ये आप अलग से करिएगा, मैंने अलग से कॉलम्स नहीं बनाया, बट यू कैन मेक द कॉलम लाइक दिस. ओके. नाउ 60 into 4, you will get 240, then 80, and then 112. Then 210, then 260, then 52, and 63 into 2, you will get here 126. Okay. Now इसका टोटल कितना आएगा? That is the Sham, 192 plus 240 plus 80 plus 112, you will get 624. Okay. And this is, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा कलर चेंज कर देती हूँ. It would be easy for you to recognize. Just wait. कितना था इसका? 210, 260, 52, and it would be 126. So summation wx would be here. So total is 648. Now फॉर्मूला यही आपको लगाना है. wx समेशन इसका क्या है? राम का है 633 divided by 10. So you will get here 63.3 marks. जिसका हाईएस्ट होगा उसी को स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी, राइट? Then 624 divided by 10, तो 62.4 marks. And then 648 is divided by 10. Weighted है ना ये सबमिशन weight का, so it would be 64.8 marks. Now tell me in the comment section who is the most eligible for a scholarship. So I think here from the above data, you can say Manish has scored 64.8 weighted marks. So he is eligible. He is the most eligible student for scholarship. So this is going to be your answer. Now you can take the screenshot. ये question था black से आपका. जो बाकी चीजें आपके वो आंसर्स आपको अलग कलर से मैंने लिखे. Okay, just take the screenshot of 3 questions we have done on the topic weighted mean. Question number 1, simple. Question number 2, again, different items are given, so you just have to multiply. Okay, the formula will be the same in all 3. Then weighted for various subjects, again, the weight are here given of the various subjects, and then you're going to multiply to the individual people, and then you're going to take out the, as according to the formula, put the values, and then the highest one is going to the most eligible student, okay, for the scholarship. So this is the question we have solved. And in the next video, we are going to solve few more questions on measures of central tendency, arithmetic mean, missing value. Okay. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.